beauty and wellness must-haves for winter. New Chapter has single-letter vitamins that target specific areas of your health. They're the first USDA organic ones on the market, and you can find them at the Vitamin Shop or thevitaminshop.com. They're fermented, which means that they unlock and activate in your body so that your body can absorb them like nutrients in your food. They're also gentle on your stomach. Next, let's talk about having a healthy, bright smile. Armand Hammer toothpaste are made with the natural ingredient baking soda, and they're clinically proven to remove up to 5 times more plaque than non-baking soda toothpaste. They also help to clean away any stains from red wine and coffee, and they neutralize the harmful plaque acids that build up in your mouth over time. You can find it for under $4 at drugstores. Finally, an interesting survey was that 3.6 million online searches this year related to the term anti-aging. Rock is the drugstore staple. Their Retinol Correction eye cream is a triple threat. It helps to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles. It brightens and depuffs your eyes in just 4 weeks, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 12, and it's proven to make your eyes look 10 years younger. So you can find this product for under $23 at stores like Walmart or online.